Hi, my name is Brendan Sullivan. I am currently the board president here at the American Clock and Watch Museum, and I'm excited to share with you today an artifact from my family history. And what it is my great-grandfather's pocket watch, which you'll see here. His name was John L. Sullivan. He was the first person in his entire family of 13 children, and before that whole lineage, to graduate high school. His parents, let me show you first here. This is his high school graduation picture. He was valedictorian. He's right there in the top middle. So he was one of 13 children. Like I said, this is a family photo. That's him right here in the bottom right. So out of all of them, he was the first one to not just graduate, but he was valedictorian. So to commemorate this achievement, his parents presented him with this pocket watch. It's an Elgin pocket watch. It's very plain. It's not, there's no engraving. There's no hunter case. There's certainly no repeater mechanism because, you know, like I said, they were a working class, poor Irish immigrant family. So this was a big sacrifice just to buy this for him. And so I think that set an expectation for his future. So he wanted to live up to that. And so what he did was he enrolled in Georgetown University on a full scholarship. In just 2.5 years, he got his CPA in accounting. And then from that, he started at Aetna, where he became an assistant accountant, and then he worked his way up, and then he became the controlling officer of 8 field offices. So this is a picture of him here in his latter years with his car. I wish I could tell you what kind of car it is. I'm not a car guy. But so after becoming the controller of 8 field offices, he met his wife, my great-grandmother Cagle, Eleanor Cagle, in Milwaukee, where she was the secretary at the Milwaukee office. So they fell in love, had 4 boys. My grandfather was the oldest of the 4 boys. And so eventually they did come back to Connecticut and settle in Connecticut after he was in the field for a while, where he was made the controlling officer of the home office. And so it was there, that was in 1960, and he ended up dying unexpectedly on vacation in Milwaukee in 1970. But my grandfather was the oldest of the 4 boys, and so the watch, after my grandfather died, went to my father, and then he decided it should go to me because I'm currently also an Aetna employee, which makes me a 4th generation Aetna employee, starting with my grandfather. So it makes it extra special to have his pocket watch and to walk the same halls that he once did. So I'm thrilled that you all can see this today, and we hope to see you soon in person.